Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw Casino Plus on GCash. So let's start. If you wanna withdraw your money from Casino Plus, well, this casino is from Philippines, so I can access to this one is restricted, as you can see. But if you wanna withdraw the money, first you have to have an account on GCash. This is a bank from Philippines, so you have to be there for open an account there. So when you do it, well, you can start connecting your account from GCash to your Casino Plus, and when you connect, well, that means that you can start using that bank account on your account and withdraw money. So that's how you can do it. Of course, you have to have a considered amount on your Casino Plus account for taking out the money or withdraw the money there. So that's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to do. So first you have to open an account on GCash, and then you have to connect your cash account on your Casino Plus, and then you can start using withdraw the money without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.